Question. P.S. Which of the following must be a factor of the sum of a two-digit integer, n, and its reverse digit? Solution. Reverse digit. Reverse digit is the process of changing the order of the digits of an integer in an opposite or reverse direction. That is, to reverse the places of the digits of a certain integer n. We are required to select the option that gives a factor of the sum of a two-digit integer n and its reverse digit. Let the two-digit integer be a times b, that is, 10 times a plus b. So its reverse will be b times a, or 10 times b plus a. The sum of n and its reverse equals 10 times a plus b plus 10 times b plus a equals 11 times a plus 11 times b equals 11 times whole of a plus b. Thus 11 is always a factor of the sum of n and its reverse. Remember how to describe a two-digit integer. You can describe a two-digit integer as 10 times a plus b. Thus D is the correct answer. Answer D.